Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking and Live d9u. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious and very easy Dhaba style chicken curry at home. This chicken curry is full of flavor, very simple and very tasty. Once you try this method, I am sure you will want to make it again and again. So, without wasting any time, let's start preparing our delicious dhaba style chicken curry. First of all, take some onions and cut them into very thin slices. As you can see, the onions should be sliced plain. As you can see, which I am cutting. After cutting this onion, then we will take one pan. Add some cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add some whole spices along with the some curry leaves also. Now add the sliced onion and lightly fry them. We don't want to fry the onions too much at this stage. Just cook them until they become lightly soft, as you can see. Now add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it nicely with the onions and spices. Now it's time to add the main ingredients, a half kg of chicken. Lightly fry the chicken so that it gets nicely coated with all the onions and spices. Now cover the pan with a lid and let the chicken cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's add our spices. Add salt according to your taste, some Kashmiri red chili powder for a beautiful color and a little turmeric powder also. Next add 2 chopped tomatoes. Now add garam masala powder and cumin seeds and coriander powder. And there comes one of the ingredients that makes this curry creamy and flavorful. Add some curd. Mix it well all together. Now add a little water according to your consistency. Cover the pan again, the let it chicken cook for medium heat for around 15 to 20 minutes. So after this time you can see it's done. Add some lemon juice and chopped coriander and mint leaves also and mix it lightly. And look at this, our delicious dhaba style chicken curry is ready. It's time to dish out. Take some salad, cucumber and carrot. This chicken curry tastes amazing with roti, naan or rice. This gravy was so flavorful and aromatic. Do try this dhaba style chicken curry at home. I'm sure your family will love it. It's very easy to make. Everyone can make it very easily. The chicken is so tender and soft that it breaks very easily. Thank you for watching.